Hi, hello, this is Cyberlove. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's get into the video. Today's topic is how to installation of Burp Suite. Well, Burp Suite is a application which is used to test vulnerability on the websites. In this, it has three editions on Burp Suite Community Edition, Burp Suite Pro Edition, and Burp Suite Enterprise Edition. It's actually a Burp Suite Community Edition is free for all the users. Burp Suite Professional Edition is cost around some 99 something dollar for approximately it took $400. I'm not sure that, and the enterprise of Burp Suite is cost around some $399. Burp Suite is the main tool most of the pen testers use it to check the vulnerability of the systems or websites, and it's often used for vulnerability scanner for a web application. It's mainly used for intercept the connections between the client side and server side and execute the code in between the browser and then get vulnerability from the website. Okay, don't be delayed. Let's get into the video how to installation of Burp Suite in Windows machine. And then open your favorite browser, Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, something else, and go to the search box and types Burp Suite download for Windows or Burp Suite download. You may see the Burp Suite you can download from the postsugar.com or else whatever website you like. I will go to postsugar.com. I can hope that you can able to see that the latest version of Burp Suite. It is in the 64 version bit. Make sure that your system bit is 32 bit or 62 bit. Make sure that and then click download button. In Linux there's a what we can say in Linux there's inbuilt of Burp Suite is always available. In Ubuntu or some other Linux distribution you can install the Burp Suite. In Kali OS it is pre-installed the community edition of Burp Suite. And make sure your download folder and make sure that internet connection is fast. Once you are complete your download and open your folder and move to the folder and click the file and extract the files whatever your preferred location. I hope you can see that extracting files here. Once you have extract these files in your preferred location, it says the completing the Burp Suite and you can finish the button. If you don't think it is not installed, click the Windows key button and type Burp Suite. You can able to see that Burp Suite icon and open it. You can see that community edition version 2020. You can see temporary project. Click next. You can use Burp Suite detail. Click next. At last it comes Burp Suite community edition. Now move to the proxy section and then go to the options and confirm that local proxy name, that is 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 8080. Make sure that it's correct and click OK. And then move to your Firefox. I recommended that use Firefox for this Burp Suite edition. Go to the options of the Firefox and then type that, and you can I hope you can able to see that type proxy. The network settings appear and click setting button and click manual proxy configuration. Here HTTP port, make sure that Burp Suite 127 that IP address must be here also. Same for Firefox settings, HTTP proxy bar 127.0.0.1 and the port number is also same 8080. And make sure that click that checkbox. Also use this proxy for both FTP and HTTPS connection. Make sure that this HTTP port number and HTTP proxy number is same in Burp Suite options and then click OK. and then ah ah சொல்லு என்ன சொல்லு சரி நான் வரேன் நான் முடிச்சுட்டு வந்துடுறேன் and move to the burp suite and select proxy intercept. The intercept is on or off, make sure that, and go to the browser and type https://burp suite. You can see that burp suite community edition, welcome to burp suite edition, and there's a right side corner CA certificate. If you want to make a connection to Firefox to burp suite, make sure that you want to import a CA certificate of burp suite to Firefox Firefox settings. I clearly hope you can see this, how to download CA certification of burp suite in Firefox. CA button, and you can download that card file and save it in your preferred location. Once it's downloaded, you can move again, go to the Firefox settings and type certification. You can see that view certificate and click here, and there is an option import, and click the import option. You can now you can download that CA certification of burp suite. You want to import the CA certificate into Firefox. Click that CA certification file and click open. It shows this certification is already installed on a certificate authority. I already installed the Firefox settings, and then click OK and close this tab, and again move to the proxy, use system proxy setting. After clicking the system proxy setting, you can able to search something else whatever. And that's all guys, this is the installation of burp suite. I hope you can install the burp suite on your systems or laptops and get ready for the next videos and start hacking tomorrow onwards. Okay, you can see in next video guys. Bye.